Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have this, and this is, I'll show you here in a second, it's gonna be a hidden camera of sorts. See if we can open this up one-handed while I'm showing you it here. And that was the box. And here it is. So I'll show you what it looks like, and then I'll show you some video of it. So what does this look like to you? Looks like a power bank of some sort, right? But really, there's a spy camera in there somewhere. You see in that little middle section, I think that's the little camera, and those little things next to it are like lights. And then there's a charging port, and it looks like an SD card slot to store your stuff. So how cool is that? And I guess those are buttons on the side, are probably reset ones. So on that side, it kind of looks like something. On this side here, though, it just looks like a charging port. So you have a regular charging port, a micro, what is that called? Micro SD or micro USB, and a USB-C ports, and then a power button. So how cool is that? And it looks like it comes with stickers too. So these stickers can go over the camera side of it here, so it can kind of cover it up so you don't have to see all those other slots and parts. So it kind of makes it extremely hidden. So how cool is that? Very cool. And I'll show you guys what the video looks like here in a second. This is how it charges.